In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a bank account from your QuickBooks accounting software smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're switching banks or simply cleaning up your accounts, this process is straightforward and can be done quickly with a few simple clicks. Let's dive into it. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the section labeled Accounting. It's typically located on the left side of your screen in the navigation menu. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Bank Transactions. This area is essentially your hub for managing all of your bank accounts linked to QuickBooks. It's where you control the flow of your financial data, so knowing your way around here is very useful for any QuickBooks user. After you've entered the Bank Transactions section, you'll see a list of accounts that are currently linked. Locate the bank account you wish to disconnect. Once you find the correct account, you'll need to click on Edit Account Info, which will give you access to settings specific to that bank account. Within these account settings, you should find an option that says Disconnect this account on Save. By checking this box, you're telling QuickBooks that you want this particular bank account to be removed from any further automatic transaction imports. This step is crucial if you want to stop synchronizing your data from this account with QuickBooks. It's a great step when you're either closing an old bank account or simply want to prevent it from syncing further while keeping the past data intact within QuickBooks. After you've checked the box to disconnect the account, be sure to click Save. This action will lock in your changes. Now this bank account will be disconnected, meaning QuickBooks will no longer fetch any new transactions from it. However, all past transactions that have already been synced will remain in your QuickBooks data. This ensures you won't lose any of your historical financial data, which is crucial for maintaining an accurate financial record. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected a bank account from QuickBooks. Remember, this process does not delete any past transactions, so your previous records will remain unaffected. Keep this process in your back pocket for whenever you need to manage your financial links in QuickBooks. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you ever need to reconnect or add another account, you can always follow a similar process with ease. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.